In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account and platform settings. After that, go to the Product Settings section. In that area, click Payments. This will take you to the payment configuration page for your Stripe account. When the page opens, select the Payment Methods tab. This section shows the payment methods that are available for your business and your Stripe setup. Now use the search bar or browse through the list until you find Afterpay or ClearPay. Stripe may display the option as Afterpay/ClearPay depending on your region. Click on that option to open its settings page. On this page, review the details carefully. Stripe will show important information such as eligibility requirements, supported countries, and supported currencies. This is an important step because Afterpay or ClearPay only works in certain markets and for certain transaction types. Make sure your business and customer settings meet the listed requirements before moving forward. If everything looks correct, click Enable. Stripe may ask you to confirm a few additional settings depending on your account configuration. If any extra options appear, review them and choose the settings that fit your business needs. Once you finish, click Save to apply the changes. After enabling the payment method, the next step is to confirm that it appears in a live payment flow. Open an existing payment link, Stripe checkout page, or invoice. If you do not already have one, create a new one inside your Stripe dashboard, then preview the checkout experience, or run a test transaction. During the preview, check that Afterpay or ClearPay appears as an available payment method. Keep in mind that it will only show for eligible customers, supported regions, and approved currencies. If it does not appear, go back and verify the eligibility details and payment method settings in Stripe. Once you confirm that it is showing correctly, the setup is complete. Your customers will now be able to use Afterpay or ClearPay at checkout when they qualify for it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.